Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with another BBMA re-entry video of H4. Here I enter directly and I'll show you why I enter here. H4 rejected re-entry area and EMA 50 on H1 time frame. You can see over here it's rejected and extreme B formed, and M15 it's already showing extreme and then TPY jib MHV area, and also breaks the high, previous high. This high I'm talking about on M15, it breaks this high, so I enter directly. Otherwise I used to enter like this: CSAK enter and then it flies to TP area according to time frame 1 H1. So I will add buy stops here. So if price respects this BBMA re-entry H4, then it will go straight away to TP area. Trading is not difficult. The difficult part is save the capital from the market. So your main job is to save your capital from the market. So always place your entries with SL. TF2 H1, previous high is my TP and just below is my SL. So the question is it worth taking trades like this in BBMA? Yes, it is. I show you this my live account for the past 1 year of result. I withdraw 45,000 and initial deposit was 19,000. So you can see there are some losses. Losses are part of the process. Here you go guys, price react nicely. You can see over here H4, it took a bit of time to break this EMA 50. You can see it was rejected multiple times, but at the end you see rejection, but at the end it worked and respected this re-entry. So like I show you my one account for the past 1 year of result. If you have low capital, you can also go with that. Don't aim to get rich in 1 month. It takes years, so always go slow. This is the most hardest part, of course. So it is almost about to reach TP area, but price is rejecting. So here it's a bit rejecting, so I don't want to lose what I have earned. So the most important part, to save money from the market. So if it goes like this below, I will close all. So let's wait. If you have small capital, just grow slow. For this account I have deposited 900 something, and I'll show you I will grow it slowly. My aim is to reach 10,000 initially in the first 6 months, and then 10,000 to 40,000 or 30,000 will not be an issue. First 10,000 will be difficult. So guys, market is showing some rejection sign, M5 and M15, so I would like to close all my trades. I don't want to give back all my profits back to market. Let me show you my account which I was talking about. This is account 907 with the deposit, 2,290 is current balance after closing this EUR/JPY trade. So I will be using BBMA strategy only on this account, and will show it to you and grow it up to 10,000 and later on more, and I will update you guys here on YouTube. And also I'm linking my Telegram channel in the description, so if you want to, you can join it. Thank you for watching. See you.